next video you're going to see is Ricky playing this Corrida de Toros. Unlucky me, I forgot to empty the camera before we came, so our storage got full in the middle of it. So you're going to miss about $30 for the spins, but it's kind of toward the middle of the video. He did really well, and this is an exciting video. I appreciate you, Baby Doll, for making a video for me. Hope y'all enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys. We're feeling lucky.
Hey, hello, folks. Feeling Lucky Slots here. Well, Dee Dee got tired of videoing this morning, so she handed me the camera and said, if you're going to gamble, you're going to have to video. So here I am. All right, let's see. We are on Corrida de Toros. It's got a 552 major, and we're going to kind of see what we got going on here. All right, let's start on there. 50. Well, I can't say it's been a great morning. I've gotten beat up pretty good. I didn't know if I mentioned it, but we are in Tampa today. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hopefully mine will get better. The weather here has been beautiful. All right. Hadn't seen one of those in a minute. Triple minor. How do you like that, guys? I can't complain about that. Maybe all my whining is paying off. Oh, I gotta tell you, for a 250 bet, it's pretty good. That's a 50 color. Wow. I'm not sure who was on here before me, but they it's a $12,309 grand. What do you think, folks? Pretty good win. Let that play for a minute. All right, let me hit that button. Not bad. Alright, guys. Alright, let's keep going here. See if she wants to pay me a little more. Oh, do it again. that's one thing, is I am not scared to get off a denom once I've hit a bonus there. You know, the machine's gonna hit when it hits. Of course, free spins just hurt your feelings. That's what they do. All right, $17.25. I am on fire. All right, folks, back to another bonus. Hey, babe, your camera's full and shut me down because your record is full. So I just hit another bonus, so we'll see what happens here. But my camera storage was full. We didn't delete all the videos. Bad little hit right there. 250's been on fire, that's for sure. I'm gonna enjoy that for a minute because I haven't seen it much today. Alright, gonna give it a little hit. Oh, got that ticket up to 678. Alright folks, I'm back. Had some technical difficulties. Our storage was filled up, so I had to kind of piece my way back together. Go run down D to fix my mistakes, so we'll continue. But lost in all of that is I've had some pretty good hits. I gotta tell you, this has been a really good machine. I hope I don't jinx myself. Got to keep those line hits coming. Those line hits are huge. I tell you, I'm not getting off this denom. Ooh, give me that triple minor again. Save it, save it. One more time, one more time. $95. We have got some major fighting money here. Alright, hit that. Alright, we're up to 762. I gotta tell you, that's a pretty good little session in itself right there. I played my luck out here, but we'll see. I thought for sure I was gonna do it again. Oh, come on. So what I'm gonna do is, the 1 cent has been really good. I'm gonna play this thing down to 600, but I'm gonna do all $5 bets and see if we are able to steal one. Ooh, okay, that might be okay. Ooh, that's a $57. All right, now we got to see if we can steal a bonus on $5. Remember, I'm gonna take this thing down to 600. That will still give me a $300 win, which is not bad. I will take that. Oh my goodness, look at those numbers. It's thinking about it. It is definitely thinking about it. I mean, I would say I'm due for a bonus, but I have had plenty. I just would like to steal this last one. Oh man, look at that. I mean, it is thinking about it. I just need you to do it. Stop thinking about it, just do it. All right, guys, we started with $300, had some technical difficulties. I fell out of my chair, but I've hit plenty of bonuses. We are up $302.45, not bad on the little session here. So hopefully D won't make me do this again. But thanks for hanging out with us. Talk to you guys soon.